This series of videos, the second series of videos, has covered this link between distributor and consumer and that cost and markup link. So we're going to do one big problem here that kind of ties this all together. We're going to take a peek at Betty's Brownies. Betty's Brownies produces brownies, makes brownies at a cost of 30 cents each. Every day, Betty makes 800 brownies. Past experience shows an average of 15% will go unsold. Now again, we said even though we believe that we're not going to sell all 800, we produce them just in case we have a day where we do. Those good days where we sell more than we expect make up for the ones where we sell less. And we account for that loss in our pricing anyway. So brownies not sold the first day. So the unsold means they're not sold the first day and then they're no longer fresh. Those that are not sold, brownies not sold that first day, are then sold to a secondary vendor. So are sold at 30% below cost. Betty needs a 75% markup on cost. So the big question, rounded to the nearest penny, what should Betty charge per brownie? So our step one here, total cost. That is simply going to be our 800 brownies times 30 cents each. Should be $240. Step two is to do the markup. So again, we've got cost plus markup equals the selling price. We have markup of 75% on cost, so 75% goes in the markup. On cost tells us 100% goes for the cost. So 100 plus 75 would be 175% for the selling price. We have a total cost of $240. We need to find that total selling price, so we're going to ignore that middle row. So here we're going to cross multiply 175 times 240 divided by 100. So we need $420 is what we need for our total selling price. So now in our step three, we need to find out how many are sold and unsold. So we have 800 brownies that are being produced here. 15% on average go unsold. So that's 0.15 unsold. So if 15% are unsold, 100% minus 15% would be 85%. So 0.85 for those that are sold. So 800 times 0.85 is 680 sold. 800 times 0.15 is 120 that go unsold. Now remember from our last examples, step 3B is that recovered cost. Here, though, we have to figure out what the price is for those recovered items. The actual cost is 30 cents each, and it's at 30% below cost. So 100% minus 30% makes 70%. So we're going to take that 30 cents each times 0.70. Remember that 0.70, as I just said, is 70% because we're 30% below cost. 100 minus 30 gives us 70%. So 30 cents each times 70% or times 0.7 gives us 21 cents each. So the 120 brownies that go unsold on the first day get sold at 21 cents each to another vendor. So 120 times 21 cents is $25.20 that's recovered from those initially unsold brownies. So now step 4 is to find the unit selling price. And to find that unit selling price, we need that total selling price that we found in step 2. $420 we need. And we're going to subtract this recovered amount of $25.20. We subtract that, we get $394.80 is what we need out of those that are sold on the first day. We're going to divide by the number that actually do get sold on the first day, which is the 680. So $394.80 divided by 680 brownies. We get 0.580, so 0.58, or 58 cents each is what needs to be charged for those brownies. So that is kind of a wrap-up of the process going from distributor to consumer for marking up goods with that possibility of going unsold.